Well, hi, okay. So we start with a current source and we say kind of resistor. Let's say we have here a 30 milliampere resistor. I'm very sorry, there is no milliampere resistor, it's just a milliohm resistor. Please interpret it as 30 milliohm. I will notice it later, but to get it right here. In parallel to the current source, and then here we have the output terminals of the current source. Let's say this is A and B pole. And now we want to convert it, and we do so by using the Thevenin's theorem, which means first we find the Thevenin's resistance, or TH, and then first and then second we find Thevenin's voltage. And so what we do to find Thevenin's resistance is we erase all current sources between A and B. So this one here. And we would short out all voltage sources, but we have none. And so we see that if we want to get the resistance, Thevenin's resistance between A and B, the only path we can go is through that 30 milliohm resistor. It's milliohm, not milliampere. And so we have already solved one. Our Thevenin is 30 milliohm. Now to second, how to get the Thevenin's voltage. So if we draw again here the current source as it was, to get the voltage between the two poles, the Thevenin's voltage, we simply need to find what is the potential difference between these 2 points. And since the current of this current source, by the way, we didn't say how much current this shall be. This shall be, let's say this is like 60 amps of a current source. And then we can say, okay, this 60 amps go through this 30 milliohm resistor, and because of that there is a voltage drop across this resistor, which will be our A to B potential difference, which we want, Thevenin's voltage. So we have voltage equals resistance times current. So if we want to have this Thevenin's voltage, we have to just multiply the 60 ampere times 30 milliohms, and that is 60 times 30 is 1800. And then it's millivolts, because ohm is volt divided by ampere. The ampere cancels out, so it's left with millivolts, and this is 1.8 volt, and that is our U Thevenin. And so we have our Thevenin is 30 milliohm, U Thevenin is 1.8 volts. So we can draw the converted circuit. This will be a voltage source with 1.8 volt going over a resistor with 30 milliohms, and at our output terminals A and B. And these two circuits, they are equivalent. So we have replaced the current source with a voltage source, and this completes the series about converting current sources to a voltage source. And as you see, the resistors are the same, just their position is different regarding the output terminals, and whether they are in series or in parallel. Thank you.